MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Surkar Jela bat MLA ke Amlaram Constituency balak menrembui ulang baga jingtei ke surok Shillong-Dawki keberangnya syakmat mentah Ktah sisai ke jengyang kinong jngohkai pyrthei bat ia ke kamai ke kajih bat ke yok ke kot jongki ba Ktah Dawki bat Mawlynnong hawkran halor ke Ktah jong jingtei surok ia ke kam jngohkai pyrthei urembui ulong keroi kapar kalong ke bakongsan ban kentiu ki kam jngohkai pyrthei ke Jela Meghalaya kadai ke balak kerku de kamariang ke baitanat Shibun Henry ban kentiu ke kam jngohkai pyrthei omla setia klam ki surok ki babha karoi kapar bat kiwei pat ki jingdon kam bakongsan ulai ku bleiru ke Surkar pedeng ke balamang pisana kamta ke projek Shillong-Dawki road badong baga jingtre ya kene ke surong kadang ya syaprang ula kerpar ru ki pat ba baniasha namar ke jingma jong kelentia kamtam hakapor selam namar omla banlan ba menta ki nong jngohkai pyrthei leng ba kene ke than kaladuna bat Ktah ru ya ke jingyo kamai jong ki pat ba henry ke kapor baniasha bat ban ke jingi tre lang knang ba kene ke projek kana ban pendap kloi
is blessed with the the natural beauty which we are having. But having said that, the government of Meghalaya and also the government of India recognize the importance of tourism. But tourism, you cannot develop tourism without the road communication, telecommunication and other basic facilities. So we are very thankful to the government of India having financed the Shillong-Dawki road, which the construction is going on. And yes, as of now, the tourist inflow through that area is affected. The livelihood of the people is affected. But something that we need to be patient in the sense that now I have seen that the work is progressing well. And I hope that in a very short time that the executing parties or the contractor will be able to complete the job. But as of now, it affects the Dawki area, it affects Mawlynnong, it affects those areas, it affects livelihood people. But as I said, that due to the ongoing construction, so as you know that the soil in that area is not stable, and whenever there is a small rain or so, landslide is always there. So precaution is needed, because we cannot deny the fact that human life also have been lost during the ongoing construction. So it is duty of the sub-divisional magistrate to see that all precautionary measures should be taken, and it's a duty of the government also to see that the construction should complete as early as possible.
MeghalayaPost.news.